Referral systems is another way of earning money or getting benefits. In this video, I will explain you 5 best referral websites. The first website is dropboxreferrals.com. Um, you might be familiar with Dropbox where you can store your data, but it has some limit. But with the help of referral system, it's offering referral system for you so that you can get extra storage. How you will get extra storage? You will have to accomplish certain steps. First of all, you will have to copy your Dropbox referral link, and they are saying give it to us, and then you can see how you will be provided with extra storage. You will have to share, actually. What they are saying, what give it to us, it means you will have to give uh, uh, people the, you will have to share people the link, the referral link, and that people will then create their Dropbox accounts. So Dropbox will have users with your referral link, and then you will get the storage. They are saying you provide us with the Dropbox referral link, and we will make sure you receive 32 referrals. And after that, Dropbox will automatically reward you with 500 MB per referral, using resulting in a total of 32 multiplied by 500 MB is equals to 16 GB of extra online storage. This is how you can get 16 GB of extra online storage by just the referral link. You can refer 32 people. They are saying up to 16 GB for extra storage. If your referrals can get you a maximum of 16 GB of extra data Dropbox storage. In this case, they are saying in case if you have already referred some friends, their service will fill up your extra storage to the 16 GB limit. Then other feature is valid forever. Referral bonus space will not expire, means your storage will be forever. You can use it forever. No personal information is needed. They're saying we only need your unique referral URL. Then referrals are delivered gradually over the next 20 days. You should receive your first few referrals within a day, they are saying. So it is delivered over a period of 20 days. The second website that is offering referral system referral offer is Chase. uh, this is what actually they're saying, refer your friend and get a cash bonus up to $500. This is Chase. Is what is Chase? It is actually a bank. uh, First of all, you will have to create your account. After this, what you will have to do is you will share your referral link to your friends. So whoever will sign up or create account in this bank using your referral link, you will be provided with $50. You can earn $50 for each friend who opens a qualifying Chase checking account, up to $500 per year. They're saying you will have to fill this form, your name, zip code, and Chase debit card, and Chase checking last 4 digits of Chase checking account, and then you can continue. uh, See how this referral system works. They are saying invite your friends to bank with Chase. Start by entering your information in the form above, and they will provide a link to share. Then you will get $50 for each friend who opens a qualifying checking account with the link you send them, up to 10 referral bonuses per calendar year. Third one is after finally your friend gets rewarded too when they open an eligible Chase checking account and complete qualifying activities. If any other information you want to know, then you can read these facts about your refer a friend bonus. Here are all the possible questions that can arise to the people who want to open an account with Chase. You can read it if you any of the question is of your interest, and you can read it from here. The third website that is offering referral program is Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a very popular website that with the help of which people buy and sell their services and they do freelancing. In they you can invite friends, and you both get up to $100. They're saying you can invite friends with the link that will be provided to you. They're saying spread the word by email or with the link, with your link through social sharing, and your friends signs up to Fiverr and gets 10% off their first purchase, and then you get 10% of their first order amount up to $100. They're saying, so they're saying don't let your friends waste another minute. You both will be rewarded. So this is quite a good referral program. The fourth website that is offering a referral program is swagbucks.com. They're saying invite your friends and earn 10% for life, means you can earn it forever. Help your friend earn free gift cards and earn SP every time they do. What you will have to do is that invite your friends to swagbucks.com. First of all, you will have to open account. You will have to create a account, means you will have to sign up from here. When you sign up from here, you will your account will be created. You can sign up with Google, or you can sign up with Facebook, or just simply you can sign up with any other email and write your password, confirm password. After you are signed up, you can successfully get the referral link, and that link you can share with your friends on Facebook or WhatsApp, or offline, or whatever ways you can do so. So after this, when anybody else sign up with your link, you will be rewarded. They're saying they start using Swagbucks, and how also you can learn how to use it. They're saying you earn 10% of whatever they earn, whatever your friends earn by creating this account in swagbucks.com. You will automatically get 10% each time they earn any amount of money. So if your friend, for example, they are saying, there's an example list stated over here. If your friend Jane earns 700 SP in a single day, then they are saying that we will give you, means they will give you 70 SP in a return. So the more your referral earns, the more you can earn. So this is also good referral program. You can start it if you are interested in this referral program. The last one website that I want to share with you, it has a very good referral program, is sofi.com. How this work? They are saying invite friends and get paid. Invite new friends to Sophie and earn reward points. They will do when they use your referral link to complete these steps. They will download the app, they will create a Sophie login, and they will open an eligible account. So they are saying referrals must be new to Sophie, must create login on a mobile device within 24 hours of receiving their link, and must open an eligible Sophie account within 90 days to earn this bonus. So if you want to avail this offer, you should keep this point in your mind to get the benefit. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to watch my next video that will be based on another important topic. Till then, bye bye.